2 days after I got born again, I had this amazing experience. I was in secondary school and I walked into a class. Someone got me offended and I gave them the finger. Now, I walked out of there thinking to myself, oh my God, I'm not born again. And of course, the devil brought all these thoughts. You're not born again. You couldn't be born again. Forget about it. Then suddenly I thought to myself, now I know it was the Holy Spirit that brought that thought to me. When was the last time you felt bad abusing someone? When was the last time you felt bad giving somebody a finger or cussing someone off? And I found out I never had that feeling until that day. And the Holy Spirit told me it's because what you did is not consistent with your nature. I discovered that I was born again. That was why I was feeling that way. The day you got born again, you received the nature of God. Discover more in today's Rhapsody Realities. If you're not yet a partner, I want you to join me. Send Rhapsody Realities to someone this Christmas. Use the link. God bless you. Love you.